Woodford Bourbon Whiskey Sour. My wife wanted to try one of these. I've really never had one, so we're going to make one today, and we're going to see how it turns out. Three things you're going to need. You're going to need some Woodford Bourbon Whiskey. You're going to need some fresh squeezed lemon juice. You're going to need simple syrup, and we're going to add some Old Smoky moonshine cherries just as a garnish. So here's how we do this. We take our Woodford bourbon, 2 ounces. We're going to need 3/4 of an ounce fresh squeezed lemon juice. And we're going to need 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. This is kind of a small drink. Not going to take much room up in this glass. But it is 2 ounces of bourbon. And as I promised, let's make this thing look pretty. These little suckers don't want to get stabbed. Look at that. Looks delicious. So really, there's only one thing left to do, and that's taste this guy. All right, as promised, we're going to taste this. And since it's for her, she gets to do the honors.
I get to taste it first. Ooh, a little garnish there. A little yum yum.
The moment of truth coming up.
You should have made 2.
Apparently it's good.
Mm-hmm.
It is bourbon. I mean,
that's
where
good.
can you go wrong? So
That's good.
let me give that a little taste.
The better the
Wow.
whiskey, the better the drink.
And Woodford bourbon is pretty good whiskey, so I think we did all right. All right, well,
You should let me choose
here's her drink
your,
back. She can just keep drinking her bourbon whiskey.
You should let me choose your recipes more often.
Well, maybe that might happen. So I appreciate you stopping. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping. Now I just got to figure out what I'm drinking because it's apparently not hers.
Nope.